So recently Zach has taken to building his own tent while inside the house. As you can see, the craftsmanship is pretty superb. But I thought, as he built this tent, what better time than now to introduce the Survival Emergency Solutions First Aid Kit. I'm going to do a full review on this. We're outside Zach's play tent. What better way to review the Survival Handy First Aid Kit by Survival Emergency Solutions. So we're going to take a look at what's inside of it. So on the left side we have some nice medical tape, and that actually comes in a nice plastic housing. So it's going to stay dry. It's actually very thick too, so that's very good to have. We also have regular band-aids right there for minor wounds. You have a nice pair of stainless steel shears that could probably cut through anything that you need to cut through. We have tweezers, stainless steel tweezers, very nice to have. We have splinter probes right here to get out nasty little splinters. We also have skin cleaning wipes for hygiene. We have medical gloves. And in the center we have some saline solution so you can wash out wounds or your eyes if you need to. On the right side we have a triangular bandage. They also have cotton gauge swabs for wound cleaning, so you can get right in there and clean out whatever you need to clean out. They also have some wound closures, so that way you can close any big gashes. Finally, over here you have a pressure bandage, which is always nice to have in a first aid kit. What makes this kit great is that it actually comes out with this whole first aid booklet, okay? And it even has a pencil if you have to take notes. But inside this, they also have a QR code, so you can actually scan it. And it basically has everything that you need to do in an emergency. So resuscitation of a person, bites and stings, bleeding, burns, extensive burns. So it gives you everything you need to do, and it's good to probably review this before you go out on the road or the trail. But eye injuries, head injuries, poisoning, shock, spinal injuries, sprains and strains, and wound care, and how to use a saline solution. And again, they give you a pencil and a place for notes, and they also let you have an assessment. So it's very good to have this. Not all first aid kits have a first aid in brief book. Attached to the bag they also have your CPR kit, and this does go on the inside, but I wanted to show you that you can basically detach it from the main bag to put it on your keychain or whatever. And inside the CPR kit it has the directions on how to give CPR to a victim, child, baby, or adult. And it has the CPR mask and kit along with a skin cleaning wipe. So it has everything you need to use to hygienically perform CPR. And last but not least, it also has some safety pins to close up bandages and whatever you need. So it's always nice to have those. The bag itself is actually made out of a really good resistant material. It also has a CPR card on the outside, so it's easy access to get that if you need to. It also has attachments for MOLLE straps, which is always nice to have. And on the other side, they have the place to go to restock this whole kit. And they have QR codes on handbooks, restocking, and first aid. So it's also color coordinated inside the kit. So you might have seen some green, some red, some blue, and black, and green again. So they actually have everything really organized in there. Another thing they have is an extra special pocket here in case you want to store anything on your own in your first aid kit, so it's nice to have also. Basically concludes what's inside the Survival Emergency Solutions Survival Handy First Aid Kit. It holds everything that you basically need. It will definitely fit onto a backpacking backpack, or any backpack for that matter. You can also do a D clamp right here. Great for the kitchen. It's great for hiking. It's great for probably a bike, because you can attach these to a bike. If you'd like to purchase your Survival Emergency Solutions Survival Handy First Aid Kit, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. You'll be supporting the Eric DIY channel at the same time. And if you like this video and you want to see more like it, give a thumbs up and push that subscribe button. We always like to see subscribers, right, Zach?
Right.
And as always, have a great evening. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.